Good day, folks. Okay, so we have the Huawei Mate 20 here with us today. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing. Let's see what we have in this box. Alright, so we are greeting with the Huawei Mate 20. They're sitting on top being on this worry. So let's see what we get in the box. Alright, so here's the Huawei Mate 20. Alright, we're gonna take a look at this now. Let's set that off to the side. Alright, so we have the SIM eject tool there, right there in the jacket, which contains some paperwork, and also there's a clear case right there for your Huawei Mate 20 already. Alright, so we have the supercharging or supercharger there, the brick itself. Right, we're gonna even test this as well in our full review to see if it's improved from the Huawei P20 Pro and so forth. Next, we have the cable itself, USB Type-C to connect to the Mate 20. And we also have a headset in the box as well. Right? Nice of Huawei to actually include headphones. A lot of manufacturers don't do that anymore. Right, and here we have the Huawei Mate 20. You see that design. I'm not forgetting to mention, this is the black color of the Huawei Mate 20. You see that camera line up in the back there, and fingerprint sensor also to the back. This one doesn't have the in-screen fingerprint sensor. The Mate 20 Pro has it. Here we have the teardrop notch, and we also have the red accent on the power button. Let's power this up quickly. Alright, so here's it on, and we're gonna do a full review of the Huawei Mate 20. Hopefully I can get that review in before, or probably after Christmas. But look out for it, folks, soon. Peace.